When you search for the best 6.5-inch car speakers, everything looks the exact same. Same features, same claims. But to really understand what works and what just looks good, you have to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Pioneer G Series. First up, we have the Pioneer G Series TS G1620F speakers. These are priced at around $41.29, and honestly, what caught my eye was their balanced sound and smooth treble, which makes them a great stock replacement. If you want clear sound at an affordable price, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The two-way design means you get separate drivers for different frequencies, resulting in a richer sound experience. With a maximum power handling of 300 watts and continuous power of 40 watts, you can enjoy crisp highs and deep lows. The frequency response is impressive too, covering a range from 37 Hz to 24 kHz, which is perfect for all genres of music. Plus, with a sensitivity of 87 dB, you can crank up the volume without distortion, even with lower power inputs. Now, some people complain about the installation being a bit tricky, especially if you're new to car audio setups. Here's the thing though, if you take your time and follow the manual, it should be a manageable task. But if you're not comfortable, you might want to hire a pro for installation. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a budget-friendly upgrade without sacrificing sound quality. Skip this one if you need premium sound fidelity, as these are more suited for casual listeners. Now, if the installation concerns you, the next one on my list makes it much easier. Product number 2, Polk Audio DB652. Next, let's talk about the Polk Audio DB652 Marine speakers, priced at $82. What really caught my attention was their versatility for both car and marine use. If you want quality sound on the water or on the road, this one's a solid choice. What's great about these speakers is their powerful 6.5-inch polypropylene woofer and 3/4 silk dome tweeter that work together to deliver rich sound. They handle up to 300 watts of peak power and 100 watts RMS, ensuring you get loud, clear audio. The frequency response of 40 to 22 kHz means you can enjoy everything from thumping bass to crisp highs, making your music come alive. Plus, their IP56 Marine certification means they're splash-proof, which is a big deal if you're using them on a boat. However, some users noted that they can sound a bit hollow at high volumes. Here's the thing. While they may lack some depth in sound at max volume, if you keep it at a moderate level, you'll enjoy a fantastic listening experience. This is perfect for you if you want a durable speaker for both car and marine environments. Skip this one if you're strictly looking for high-end audiophile quality, as these are more about fun and functionality. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next product is another Pioneer model that really shines in terms of bass. Product number 3, Pioneer A-Series. Now, let's check out the Pioneer A-Series TS, a 1671F speakers, which go for about $54.99. What stood out to me was the enhanced bass they offer, making them ideal if you love those low frequencies. These three-way speakers mean you get even better sound separation thanks to their different drivers managing the lows, mids, and highs. With a maximum power handling of 320 watts and an RMS of 70 watts, they deliver loud, dynamic sound. The frequency response ranges from 37 Hz to 31 kHz, so you're covered for a wide array of musical styles. Plus, they come with installation adapters, making the setup a breeze. But some users have mentioned that the bass can overpower the mids and highs at times. Here's my take on that. Adjusting the equalizer on your stereo can usually balance things out, so it's not a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you want a good balance of bass and clarity without breaking the bank. Skip this one if you're looking for a flat response for critical listening, since these lean a bit towards bass-heavy sound. Now, if you're on a tighter budget, the next product might be exactly what you need. Product number 4, Boss Audio CH6530. Next up are the Boss Audio CH6530 speakers, priced at an incredibly low $28.99. Honestly, I was surprised by how many positive reviews these have, especially considering the price. These three-way speakers have a maximum power of 300 watts and offer a frequency response from 100 Hz to 18 kHz. They use a piezoelectric driver for the tweeter, which helps in producing clear highs. Plus, with a sensitivity rating of 90 dB, you won't have to crank the volume up too high to enjoy your music clearly. However, some buyers mentioned that the build quality feels a bit cheap. Here's the thing though, for the price, you're really getting a lot of value. If you're looking for something that sounds decent without spending a fortune, this is worth considering. This is perfect for you if you need an affordable solution for a basic sound upgrade. Skip this one if you're an audiophile looking for top-notch sound, as you might find these lacking in depth. Alright, we've covered a budget-friendly option, but the last product is another Boss model that's slightly different. Product number 5, Boss Audio CH6520. Finally, we have the Boss Audio CH6520 speakers, priced at about $23.78. Honestly, I didn't expect much from these, but they've got some solid features for the price. These two-way speakers handle a maximum power of 250 watts and provide a frequency response of 100 Hz to 18 kHz, similar to the previous model, but with a slightly lower power rating. They come with a rubber surround and poly injection cone, which contributes to decent sound quality. Plus, they have a 90 dB sensitivity rating, so they're easy to drive. Some customers did report that they lack a bit of clarity at higher volumes. Here's my perspective. These are budget speakers, and if you're looking for something just to upgrade your factory setup without spending a lot, they definitely deliver. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a very affordable speaker that still offers decent sound. Skip this one if you're seeking high-end performance, as these won't satisfy an audiophile's ears. To wrap things up, we've looked at a range of speakers, from the budget-friendly Boss models to the more powerful Pioneer options. Each has its strengths, so it's really about what you value in sound quality. So we covered 5 fantastic 6.5-inch car speakers today. The Pioneer G Series offers solid sound for a budget, while the Polk Audio DB652 brings versatility. The A Series from Pioneer is perfect for bass lovers, and Boss provides excellent options if you're on a budget. Ultimately, it depends on your needs and how much you're willing to spend.